Hey there, fellow literature enthusiasts. Welcome to our brand new literary channel where we dive deep into the world of words, imagination, and stories that have stood the test of time. Before we embark on this exciting adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our literary explorations. Alright, let's get started. Question 1. Choose the correct statement. Option A. She did not open the door because she had washed her hair. Option B. She did not open the door because she washed her hair. Option C. She did not open the door because she was washing her hair. The correct answer here is option A. She did not open the door because she had washed her hair. Question 2. Choose the correct statement. Option A. I found that my pocket was picked. Option B. I found that my pocket has been picked. Option C. I found that my pocket had been picked. The correct answer here is option C. I found that my pocket had been picked. Question 3. Choose the correct statement. Option A. By tomorrow afternoon the plane will take off for Moscow. Option B. By tomorrow afternoon the plane will be taking off for Moscow. Option C. By tomorrow afternoon the plane will have taken off for Moscow. The correct answer here is option A. By tomorrow afternoon the plane will take off for Moscow. Question 4. Choose the correct statement. Option A. We did not go out as it still rained. Option B. We have not gone out as it was still raining. Option C. We did not go out as it was still raining. The correct answer here is option C. We did not go out as it was still raining. Question 5. Choose the correct statement. Option A. Since she started journey, she has felt sick. Option B. Since she started journey, she is feeling sick. Option C. Since she started journey, she has been feeling sick. The correct answer here is option B. Since she started journey, she is feeling sick. Question 6. Choose the correct statement. Option A. He has scored a century a week ago. Option B. He has scored a century before a week. Option C. He scored a century a week ago. The correct answer here is option C. He scored a century a week ago. Question 7. Choose the correct statement. Option A. My sister has gone to England for higher study only a month ago. Option B. My sister went to England for higher study only a month ago. Option C. My sister had gone to England for higher study only a month ago. The correct answer here is option A. My sister has gone to England for higher study only a month ago. Question 8. Choose the correct statement. Option A. She left the hospital in 1980 and I did not see her since. Option B. She has left the hospital in 1980 and I have not seen her since. Option C. She left the hospital in 1980 and I have not seen her since. The correct answer here is option B. She has left the hospital in 1980 and I have not seen her since. Question 9. Choose the correct statement. Option A. I found that he recently went out. Option B. I found that he had recently gone out. Option C. I found that he recently gone out. The correct answer here is option A. I found that he recently went out. Question 10. Choose the correct statement. Option A. I know her since 1985. Option B. I knew her since 1985. Option C. I have known her since 1985. The correct answer here is option A. I know her since 1985. And there you have it, folks. How many of those literary brain teasers did you conquer? If you're feeling confident, drop your score in the comments below. Did you ace them all, or did a few slip through the cracks? Don't worry, we're all here to learn and have a good time. If you enjoyed testing your literary wits with us, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow bookworms. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating discussions about literature's finest. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep turning those pages and exploring the endless worlds that literature has to offer. Stay curious.